Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you're all having a great day. We're going to be looking at something really creepy and dare I say scary that was discovered in Antarctica recently and also potentially on Mars. Originally released by Florida Maquis of the strange structure that he found in Antarctica, and then from Mars Moon Space TV, Mikey and Dolly, thanks for this video. I'll include a link to these videos in the description below. They featured this one today. Let's go over to Google Earth and check out the anomaly for ourselves. As always, I'll include a link to all the coordinates and reference material in the video description below. So here we can see the photograph that was taken on 12/17/2013. Clearly visible is a long runway with two turnaround points at each end and this access way to what looks like underground entrances here to the right, and then down here what I can only describe as maybe ventilation or wind traps. So let's zoom in on this area here, and what's really scary about it is it's got this dark blood red color on the outsides of these entrances. Check this out. It looks almost like blood. And there we can see the huge opening over here. There we've got a ramp going down to what looks like an underground entranceway over there. And then check out all the activity in this part over here. What the heck were these people doing? And then over to the south, there we can see quite a couple of tracks. There was some activity around those two structures. How many turns were made? And then, as I say, this looks like some type of ventilation system perhaps. Get these parallel structures with equal spacing between each. And this is rather strange over here too, this circular feature. We've got two more there. And then look at the way these tracks run off in that triangular pattern. What on earth were these people doing? So let's go back here. This is a bit disturbing, I must be honest. Maybe it's just oxidation, some type of mineral gas that was escaping and then oxidized in the atmosphere, but this dark red color is very, very suspicious. So that photograph, as I say, was taken in 2013, and check this out. The photograph taken on 11/8/2016 only shows that one opening and then a row of these strange little pyramidal features. And I want you to remember those, guys and girls. We're going to be checking out an amazing discovery that I made about those. So let's just check this out. The opening over there, let's see how big it is. Switch over to meters. So it's 15 meters tall and it's about 35 meters wide. And we've got that perfect rectangular opening over there. And then this ramp, let's just check how long that one is. That's about 40 meters long. And the opening is 8 by about 10 meters. Let's see what sort of aeroplanes could have landed here. How long is this runway? Okay, almost 2 kilometers long, just over 2 k's long. Just have a look at these openings. It's like this rib construction. There's a gap of about 25 meters between each. And how long are these? About 62 meters long. 60 to 62 meters long. And this whole structure is about 450 meters long. So if any of you that are watching this know what this could have been, please let us know in the comments below. It looks really bizarre. Look how much they were doing over here. All the traveling in circular patterns around here. Were they moving stuff? Look at that circular pattern around that little hole. Okay, so check out the latest photograph. And we can only see what's left of that rectangle. Also got what looks like a slight ramp to it. And then down here, that row of pyramidal features. Let's check, how many are there? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. These look slightly different and they're further apart, but let's zone in on these. Look at the regular spacing and similar geometry and size. And there again we've got this blood red color coming out there. For reference, let's measure how long these are. That oval opening is about 12 meters long. Measure this one. Yep, also about 12. And about 4 meters wide, 2 to 4 meters, and they're spaced about 80 meters apart, 50 in that case, 50 there, 70 there. So between 50 and 80. So as I say, guys, keep in mind what these look like. And I'll show you why in a second. We're going to be analyzing this high-rise photograph called USGS Dune database entry number 1650-697. Acquired on the 20th of August 2012, and I'll be showing you images I cropped from the JP2 black and white map projected file. Unfortunately, this is a very low resolution photograph, 99.3 centimeters per pixel with 4x4 binning. The map projected scale is 100 centimeters per pixel. So it's not the 25 centimeters per pixel resolution that we're accustomed to. And there's a crop from the low-res JPEG, and we're going to be looking at these anomalies over here, these dark spots. Okay, there they are. Close-up, 1:1 scale. As I say, the resolution is rather low. That little triangle there, for example, each side is about 20 meters in length, and they're spaced about 100 meters apart. There's a close-up. We can see the little pyramidal features there. It looks like there's been some venting over here in certain directions. There is close-up. We can see these little triangular structures with what look like openings on the sides. Check that out. Here's another closer look at some of the others. Also these little pyramidal structures, check that out. And then I did a illustration as close as I could emulate what I saw here, and this is what we've got, guys. It's like a pyramid with these two triangular openings. So I wonder what type of venting's going on over here. Definitely fanned out in certain directions. And that's what I wanted to show you. I think there's some similarity over here. Could it be that there's a link between these structures and those that we found in Antarctica, or is it just coincidence? What sort of activity was going on, and why was it hidden so well afterwards? I guess we'll never know. Let's go down to the southern hemisphere where we find these structures on Mars as well, and very close to the same latitude line as we find those in Antarctica. So what are the chances of that happening, guys? So there we've got those little pyramidal triangular structures in this dark patch over here, and there they are as seen on Mars. Is this just coincidence, or is something really sinister going on here? Just go back to the history and check out the photograph taken in 2013. I wonder what was going on here. This entranceway isn't visible any longer, it's just that opening there. And in this photograph you can see nice straight edges to it, 90-degree angles, and in the later photograph a lot more rounded, a lot more eroded. And all the activity around here ceased. Can't even see the runway. All that's left is that opening with this strange row of pyramidal features. As many of you probably know, there is speculation of reptilian presence on Earth and also on Mars. And there's also rumors that the reptilian ET race feeds on humans. So is there something sinister going on, or is it just a mining operation? Let me know in the comments below how you guys and girls feel about this discovery. It is rather creepy, to say the least. So that's it for this one. I hope you found it informative. Let's get the word out there and get some opinions as to what this might be. I look forward to reading your comments below as always. I'll be back soon with more Mars and space news. Until then, take care. See you in the next video. Bye for now.